Like in our home, there are lots of kinds of instrument like TV, washing machine, mixer. That all kinds of things are for our uses. That will save our time. You know what, friends? There are some disadvantages of this instrument. Like we can give just one example of cylinder. If it blasts, then it will be give to you towards that towards your death. So basically we should think about that. There are lots of kinds of things and there are lots of uses. They save our time, as well as they use to us lots of comfort. But first of all, we should think about it, as well as we should take care of it. So you know what, friends, there are around 90% of instrument that are working on electricity, so we should take care about of it. As well as, friends, if we look at this topic behind the domestic uses, like in pharmacy, in farm field, so at this time, so we should think, we can give just few example of any farmer. So in our farm we should need electricity, as well as some kinds of instrument, some kinds of vehicle like tractor, harvester, JCB. That all kinds of vehicles are useful for any farmer. That will be save their time as well as their money, as save time and money. But you know what, friends, the most essential things in all those, they can serve our work, as well as our energy. So it is the most precious thing around that we are saving our work and energy both. In If we look towards the education field, there are lots of uses and technologies that are made for us, like digital classroom, as well as the courses which gives us comfort, as well as the as well as for earning money and financial status, like computer course, typing course, and coding. That all kinds of educational things are around us just due to science. If we work on that field, we can make career on that field. So it is the it that all kinds of things for ourselves. And friends, if we make career in that field, then definitely it will be very easy and beneficial for ourselves. So basically, science, due to with the help of science, we can save our time, we can save our work, as well as we can feel comfort in every field, in every zone. So, friends, if we look towards that, there are lots of kinds of competitions around us, like in sport competition, there are lots of uses of science, as well as in any technologies, for increasing the technology, for increasing the value of everything. Like if we talk about any field which is around science, means every field that all are just around science, so we should think about it, that we can make our career in that field also. So friends, we talk on domestic uses, we talk on educational purpose, as well as in farming and any field that we are living in this society, that are easy for ourselves to talk on it. But friends, behind that, if we think on a international level, so that at that level we know the uses of science and what are the beneficial things that are made up for ourselves. Like you know what, friends, the metros, the vehicles, that all kinds of things are just for ourselves. That how can we use them? You know what, friends, the aeroplane, buses, car, it is that all kinds of vehicles for are ourselves, just for saving time, but they can harm to ourselves by any accident. So we should take care for ourselves, having using any instrument that are around us, that we should understand we how to use it, as well as it will be beneficial, but excess of everything, it will be harm for ourselves. So friends, it all kinds of things just about science, how it is work, and why should we use it or not. So basically science gives us comfort. So friends, I think it is enough for myself. Thank you very much.